Hello, everybody, and welcome to Tuesday. What we're going to be doing today is a rather simple lesson. It's called cell phone comparison, and it's going to sort of bring together everything that you've learned so far about writing linear models and functions, and then comparing those to come up with answers, okay? Because functions are about modeling and predicting change, and we want to be able to use math to answer questions about various situations in life. So if we look here at the cell phone comparison, it says up top here how cell phones have become the most necessary accessories that people carry around. And it says, as you enter adulthood, one of the first decisions that you may make is how to handle your own cell phone plan. Although costs and incentives are always changing, using critical thinking skills to decide what makes the most financial sense is important. So in this assignment, you will use the costs of a fictional cell phone company to create linear functions and make decisions. Okay? So if you look here, first of all, you have a chart or a table, and it's got voice unlimited text and data amounts, and it's got your 4 different companies listed over here. And then if we read our first scenario, it says Nadia the texter needs to get a plan with voice unlimited and texting, and she is comparing the 4 companies above. So first of all, notice it says voice unlimited and texting. So anytime we see the word and in math, that means addition. Okay? And she's comparing the 4 companies. For each plan, write an equation that represents the total monthly cost Y for a voice plan and X texts per month. Okay? So for the first one, it says for ET&T, so we're looking at voice unlimited and texting. So what we're going to do then is we're going to write this as Y, because it says there the cost of Y for a voice plan. So Y equals, so the voice unlimited is 59 and texting would be 10 cents X. Okay, so that would be the very first linear function that we would write. So Y equals 59 plus 10 cents X. All right, then for the next one, it says for Horizon, again, we're looking at voice unlimited and texting. So we're going to write here Y equals, and my voice unlimited amount is $39, and texting is 35 cents X. Okay? So you'll do the next 2 yourself, and then you're also going to, on the back side, do the same thing, except this time you're looking at voice unlimited and data. Okay? So then I come down here to this table, and it says Nadia is a frequent texter and has sent an average of about 1,000 texts a month. Her personal goal is to cut her texting in half by 500 or to 500 texts a month. In each of these situations, what would be the total cost of her plan? All right, so if we go to here and start with our first function, which was going to be Y equals 59 plus 10 cents X. Okay, so the 2 amounts that we're looking at are 500 texts and 1,000 texts. Okay, so those are going to be the 2 inputs to your function, and you're going to substitute them or input them for the value of X. So Y, which is your total cost, is going to be 59 plus 10 times 500, because we're looking at it for a cost of 500 text. All right, so the total cost of that plan is going to be $109. So you have your $59 for Voice Unlimited plus the 10 cents for each one of her texts. So you would simply come back here and we would put 109. All right, then we're going to have 1,000 texts. So we're going to take the same function and we'll use and this time we're using 1,000. Okay, so then 1,000 times 10 cents is 100. All right, so y equals 159. All right, so that's what you're going to compute for each of these. So you will write the linear function for each of these different phone companies for texting, find out the cost for each texts down here for 500 and 1,000. Make sure you answer the question, then come to number 4, and you're going to write the linear function for Voice Unlimited and data. Then you're going to find out what her cost would be for Voice Unlimited and 2,000 megabytes of data and 3,500 megabytes of data, and then suggest which plan she chooses. Okay? So if you have any questions on this, you can see me on Google Meet. Also, you could email me as well. Please make sure you include a copy of your work. And have a great day, everybody. And there will be something new for you tomorrow.